Are you tired of seeing negative comments on your Instagram posts? If you're looking for a way to get rid of them, this video is for you. In just a few simple steps, you can delete any comment on your Instagram post. Whether you want to get rid of a single comment or multiple comments, I'll walk you through the process step by step. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, first open up the Instagram application. And then go to the post that you want to delete the comments from. So let's go over to my profile and let's say I want to delete some comments on this specific Instagram post that's on my profile. Simply tap on the comments icon that's under your post. Tap and hold the comment that you want to delete, and then tap on the trash can icon at the top right corner of the screen. And that will delete that specific comment from your post. You can also delete multiple comments at once by tapping and holding on a comment, and once that's highlighted, tap on the other comments as well, and then tap on the trash can icon at the top of the screen to delete multiple comments at once. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.